Welcome to the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint. My name is Joe Applebaum, author, speaker, connector, entrepreneur, and I've trained over 1,000 people on how to leverage LinkedIn, and we've helped over 1,100 companies with their marketing over the past 15 years. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional social network. It has 1 billion users that are active, and Microsoft, the world's largest company, invested $26.2 billion in LinkedIn. 80% of B2B marketing leads sourced from social media come directly from LinkedIn. So you need to have a strategy. LinkedIn is growing by 2 new members every second. And LinkedIn hit 1 billion members, and their goal is to get to 3 billion members in over 200 countries and territories across the world. 40% of active users log in every single day, and 1 million posts go up every single day. The average CEO has 930 connections on LinkedIn, but 99% of people on LinkedIn are just watching. They're lurkers. So if you want to leverage LinkedIn, you need to have the right strategy. The reason why people are not posting is because, A, they don't have time to post. They don't understand the value of posting, but more importantly, they've posted in the past and haven't gotten results. They haven't seen engagement. The truth is, people are still watching. If you had the right strategy, you would be able to start leveraging LinkedIn and be able to get more exposure, more credibility, and ultimately more meetings. So the question is, how engaged are you on LinkedIn? If relationships are important to your business, LinkedIn needs to be important to your business as well. It's a 24/7 networking event. Let's walk through what you get with the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint. Number 1 is you get a strategy. What is a strategy? What are your goals? Who is your target market? And what is their message? Once you have a clear strategy, then you can create media, articles, posts, have all the assets that you need, including a content calendar. You can have your activity going on a regular basis, and then be able to know if you're being successful or not being successful. So here's how the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint works for you. First, we send you a questionnaire to identify your goals, your target market, your messaging. It takes you about 45 minutes to fill out that questionnaire. Then we have a 1-hour strategy session where we review your business goals. We make sure that you understand your target market, and we nail your messaging. We come up with lots of ideas for things that would belong on your profile, for prospecting strategies, for how to be able to have your business show up on LinkedIn. Then we take 2 weeks to deliver 5 things to you. We'll deliver an asset library with all the different assets in different categories. We'll give you a 90-day content calendar with lots of different ideas customized for your business. We'll optimize your profile, which means your background banner, your headline, your about section, and we'll give you recommendations for the other areas of your profile. We'll export your connections and put it into a spreadsheet so you can recognize, strategize, and prioritize all of your connections. This way, we can also enrich them and put them into a CRM if necessary. We create an AI training so that we can create lots of pieces of content for you with this AI training. The key is for us to be able to grow your business. And in order for you to grow your business, you need direct messaging. You need posting. You need engaging. So we'll even write 2 weeks worth of content for you together with images. We'll create a beautiful networking one-sheet for you. We'll draft out 36 direct messaging scripts for you. And we give you all that in just 2 weeks. At the end of 2 weeks, we do a review call. We show you your dashboard. We explain to you how to use it. We optimize your profile. We give you your content calendar of assets, including those 2 weeks worth of content, 10 solid posts done for you with images and graphics, everything that you need done for you. And you could stop procrastinating and start being successful on LinkedIn. During the review call, we'll give you options. We either train you on how to leverage LinkedIn so you can leverage this strategy, or we can do it for you for a minimal monthly fee. This is the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint. Having the strategy, the assets, and then taking action every day is what's going to get you results. We've done hundreds of these blueprints for clients, and the clients have gotten results because now they have a strategy. Remember, the right strategy will save you a decade. So schedule a strategy session today. Go to ajaxunion.com/strategy session, or if you're on this page right now at ajaxunion.com/blueprint, just go ahead and sign up to the blueprint right now. You could also email us with questions to LAB, which which stands for LinkedIn Authority Blueprint, at ajaxunion.com. That's LAB at ajaxunion.com. Thank you for watching. My name is Joe Applebaum, and I'm excited that you took the time to watch the short video. Boom.